have a broken cold chain, and as a result, globally, over $1 trillion worth of food wasted every single year. Much of this is the result of lack of transparency into the perishable supply chain, uncertainty of food origin, poor documentation, and the unknown identities of food handlers. China and the US are the largest pesticide-consuming countries in the world by far. This is a national security risk that can only be mitigated by an unbroken supply chain. There are over 4,000 pesticides used in China today, which may cause serious health problems for consumers. AgroTrak is an end-to-end intelligent cold chain logistics platform built on a couple key technologies: LoRa IoT, AI image recognition, and blockchain. Our solution guarantees food safety, farm fresh to tables all over Asia. Unlike temperature tags, which only give you a partial view of the cold chain, our LoRa IoT sensors are long-range and low-power, enabling real-time, tamper-proof, unbroken cold chain monitoring. Our proprietary pesticide residue detector is used to randomly sample products at the farm to ensure food safety. Smart QRs allow data aggregation from farm to table. Blockchain guarantees data integrity of the entire cold chain. At the farm, LoRa sensors monitor temperature, humidity, and rainfall to improve operations and return on investment. Consumers buy products from dozens of farmers through AgroTrak blockchain-enabled ERP. AgroTrak's utilization AI fills air containers based on dimensions. Consolidated documentation helps lower overall costs by streamlining administrative tasks. During transit, LoRa temperature sensor data is stored on the blockchain, creating an unbroken and tamper-proof cold chain. Finally, the end consumer scans our AgroTrak QR code to trace the product's origin and transport history. Our AgroTrak blockchain-enabled ERP enables stakeholders to have guaranteed full visibility into the cold chain. With an unbroken food supply chain, together we can stop wasting hundreds of billions of dollars each year while improving the safety and sustainability of our food system.
Hi, my name is Robert Pimentel. I am the CEO and co-founder of AgroTrak. AgroTrak is a B2B supply chain solution for the global movement of perishables across international borders. A first to last mile solution encompassing an ecosystem of LoRa-based IoT devices for a connected, safe, and trusted movement of perishable foods from the farms in the United States, Australia, to the markets in China and the rest of Asia. The buyers of the perishables only need to get onto our platform, on our app, and select from the hundreds of different products listed. At the farm, before the products are shipped, we will randomly test our products for pesticides, utilizing our patented portable pesticide detector. We will insert into our perishables a packet of ethylene inhibitors that will provide 50% life extension for the products. All stakeholders in the movement of our perishable products will get onto the platform, onto their dashboard, and manage their respective responsibilities as it relates to their participation in the global supply chain. The farmer will upload the commercial invoice, packing list, and any relevant documentation required to ship that product to its destination. Our consolidator at the airport will use our software to data mine into the FSIS library to determine what documents will be required or forms, and what restrictions are there for that product into the markets that is destined. We will also utilize that software to be able to do a container utilization as he loads our product into the Audi 3 air container. He insulates it and will install our LoRa temperature monitor so we can manage the temperature as it moves to its markets in Asia. At any time during the global movement of our products, if there is a recall, if there is a temperature incursion, we will be able to immediately identify, isolate, take out from the supply chain without affecting what is before or after. When the product arrives in China, it will clear through customs, and waiting will be our last mile delivery driver that will use our app to be able to set the optimization route to the warehouse on his last mile delivery. That same software will allow all stakeholders in real time to be able to monitor the temperature, the product's location, check for humidity, and of any vibration as the products reach to market. The ROI for the hardware is only 2 months, with one shipment per day. The overall savings is on average 18% compared to our competitors due to the efficient supply chain and the lack of need of warehousing or expensive middlemen. Thank you, and I'd like to introduce you to our co-founder, John Jones.
大家好，我叫 John， 我也是 AgroTrak 的创办人。我的特色是区块链 blockchain， so my specialty is in blockchain technology。我有在台北开一个区块链加速器。为什么 supply chain 需要用区块链呢？因为世界缺乏信任，区块链让我们拥有值得信任的系统。对德罗伊来说，区块链的第一个用力是 supply chain。刚刚 FDA 发布了 FSMA Food Safety Modernization Act， 那他们说那个需要的科技是 blockchain， sensor data， and AI and IoT， 所以都是我们用的技术。好，继续用英文好不好？So AgroTrak blockchain-enabled ERP allows all stakeholders full visibility of the cold chain. Sensor data is uploaded and tracked on a public blockchain, allowing real-time analytics and view into the unbroken cold chain. We have the #1 technology partners in the world and marketplaces, as you can see. Our team, our CEO, Robert, has 16 years experience in food chain and supply chain and perishable goods. Josh, our CTO, has experience in SaaS product software and is an expert in blockchain technology. And myself, I understand blockchain technology, and I started a blockchain accelerator in Taipei. So this is a QR code where you can scan and see our live app. Okay, you can see our POC and where we actually included frozen cherries that have been traced from origin to destination. and you can see how it is tracked in the cold temperature. For now, it's just cold temperature, but we'll have humidity and other readings. But you can actually live track the cold temperature of these frozen cherries. Thank you so much.